The 2024 season kicks off today here at Rockingham Dragway. Test and Tune will start at 12 p.m. and run until 8 p.m. And tomorrow is day one of the Deli Weeks Shamrock Challenge. Gates will open at 10 a.m. and they will also open at 10 a.m. Saturday and on the final day, which is Sunday, March 17th, St. Patrick's Day. This is Megan Lambeth, your Richmond County Tourism Director, bringing your weekly Rockamercial from the Rock itself here at Rockingham Dragway. We're ready to give you all the fun that is coming up this weekend. Also tonight, Thursday night, there will be an open house for Revive in downtown Rockingham. This starts at 6 p.m. and ends at 8 p.m. In Hamlet at Axe to Grind, Bowtie will be there with music bingo, and the theme for this week is Irish medley. Live music will be in downtown Rockingham. A St. Patrick's Day party featuring Beach Fever Band will be at Hudson Brothers. Over at Double Vision, they will have karaoke, and they will also have karaoke in Hamlet at Hail Mary's Tavern. At Axe to Grind, it is Hamlet's Got Talent Heat 2. Saturday, March the 16th, the Richmond County Beekeepers Association is hosting a workshop on beekeeping, and this will be in downtown Rockingham at the Richmond County Cooperative Extension Office. Also in Rockingham at 10 a.m. at Lowe's Home Improvement, they will have a DIYU kids class to create a flower bird feeder. At 4 p.m., the Grill will have their steakhouse night. Saturday night, March the 16th, there are several St. Patrick's Day parties and lots of live music. In Hamlet, Hail Mary's Tavern will have a St. Patrick's Day party. At Axe to Grind, Bowtie will be there with karaoke. In Rockingham and Strikers Lounge, they will have Whiskey River for their St. Patrick's Day party. And the Miss Lodge is also having a St. Patrick's Day party featuring Good Company. Over at Double Vision, they will have DJ Roy G. On Tuesday, March the 19th, Columbia City Ballet will have Snow White at Cole Auditorium. Tickets are still available for this show. You can purchase them online. Look up the Performing Arts shows at Richmond Community College Cole Auditorium, or you can stop by the box office and purchase your tickets for Tuesday's show of Snow White. For more information on these events and other upcoming events, make sure you're subscribed to our blog on visitrichmondcounty.com. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and also TikTok and our YouTube channel. We hope to see you around here, rocking Richmond County this weekend. If not, we will definitely see you next week.